Good morning, good night, good afternoon, whatever time you're going to watch this video, this is for you. So my today's topic to discuss in English is present continuous tense, passive voice, interrogative, negative. So let's start. Passive voice, present continuous, interrogative, negative. What is this? It is passive voice, present continuous tense, interrogative, negative. So the formula is object plus is am are not plus being plus verb की third form plus by plus subject. No. Sorry. This is wrong. There are two types of formula in this sentence. First one is WH family, then second one is helping. So first we will discuss about helping verb. So let's start. The helping verb start with is, am, are plus object plus not plus being plus verb की third form plus by plus subject then question mark. So what is the formula? The formula is MR. Is MR when we use is, when we use am, when we use are. I already told you. According to object we should use this helping verb. Is MR plus object plus not plus being plus verb की third form plus by plus subject. And when the sentence starts with kya, then we use helping verb. Okay. So write it down. I'm waiting for you. I hope you write it. क्या राधिका के द्वारा काम नहीं किया जा रहा है. What is the sentence? The sentence is क्या राधिका के द्वारा काम नहीं किया जा रहा है. In this sentence, the sentence starts with क्या. That's why we identify it. It is helping verb sentence. And no, नहीं, then रहा है. So this is present continuous tense, interrogative, negative. Okay. I hope you write it this. What is the object? Object is calm. So calm is singular noun. So we use is then object. Work, then not, then being, then third form of verb done, karna. Is work not being done by Radhika? So this is the sentence translation. क्या राधिका के द्वारा काम नहीं किया जा रहा है? Is work not being done by Radhika? क्या राधिका के द्वारा काम नहीं किया जा रहा है? Is work not being done by Radhika? So write it down. I'm waiting for you. I hope you write it. क्या हिमांशु क्या हिमांशु और अच्छू क्या हिमांशु और अच्छू के द्वारा क्रिकेट नहीं खेला जा रहा है. What is the sentence? The sentence is क्या हिमांशु और अच्छू के द्वारा क्रिकेट नहीं खेला जा रहा है. So let's translate it. Himanshu and Achchu both are plural nouns, so we use are. Are no sorry. Cricket is the object. So cricket is singular noun. That's why we use is. Is cricket then not, then being, then played, verb third form, play, playing, played. Is cricket not being played by Himanshu and Achchu? क्या हिमांशु और अच्छू के द्वारा क्रिकेट नहीं खेला जा रहा है? इज क्रिकेट नॉट बीइंग प्लेड बाय हिमांशु एंड अच्छू? क्या हिमांशु और अच्छू के द्वारा क्रिकेट नहीं खेला जा रहा है? इज क्रिकेट नॉट बीइंग प्लेड बाय हिमांशु एंड अच्छू? सो दिस वाज द सेंटेंस. राइट इट डाउन. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर यू. I hope you write it. Now it is a time of WH family word. When the word क्या क्यों कैसे कब कहाँ come in the mid of the sentence, so we would understand that it is WH family word. Okay. So the formula of WH family. WH family formula is WH family word plus is am. According to object you should use helping verb, make it understand. WH family plus is am are plus object plus not plus being plus verb third form plus by plus subject and then question mark. So what is the formula? It is a very lengthy formula, so I think you would be feel difficult to understand it. That's why I'm repeating it. WH family, then is am are according to object, then object not being plus third form of verb by subject. Okay. WH formula plus is am are plus object plus not plus being plus third form of verb plus by plus subject and question mark. So this is the formula. So my first sentence is रमेश के द्वारा क्यों नहीं नाचा जा रहा है. दिस इज द वर्ड सेंटेंस. सॉरी, रमेश के द्वारा क्यों नहीं नाचा जा रहा है. क्यों वर्ड कम इन द मिड ऑफ सेंटेंस, देन नहीं, देन जा रहा है. इट इज इंटेरोगेटिव WH फैमिली, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस पैसिव वॉइस. ओके. देन first of all, WH family word comes in the sentence of English क्यों. The English of क्यों is why. Why then object. What is object? नाचा, नाचना. So नाचना is singular noun, so we use is. Why is dance not being performed by Ramesh. रमेश के द्वारा क्यों नहीं नाचा जा रहा है? Why is dance not being performed by रमेश? रमेश के द्वारा क्यों नहीं नाचा जा रहा है? Why is dance not being performed by Ramesh? Okay, so write it down. I am waiting for you. I hope you write it. बानी के द्वारा कैसे दिल्ली नहीं कैसे दिल्ली नहीं जा रहा है. What is the sentence? The sentence is बानी के द्वारा कैसे दिल्ली नहीं जाया जा रहा है. Okay. So first of all, WH family कैसे. The English of कैसे is how. Then what is the object? Delhi. So Delhi is singular noun. So we use is. How is Delhi? How is Delhi not being gone by Bani? बानी के द्वारा कैसे दिल्ली नहीं जाया जा रहा है? How is Delhi not being gone by Bani? बानी के द्वारा कैसे दिल्ली नहीं जाया जा रहा है? How is Delhi not being gone by Bani? So write it down. I hope you write it and I hope you like my video. If you like, so please share, subscribe, and most importantly increase my viewers and subscribers. If you have any queries, so please ask me in the comment box. I am trying to make it solve. Thanks, that's all.